Hello and welcome to the Parrot Analytics Demand Portal, reporting on the popularity of thousands of television shows, regardless of platform, all around the world. Parrot Analytics takes into account over 1 billion different data points every single day from all the different ways audiences express demand for content. Let's get started with a quick tour of the Parrot Analytics Demand Portal. Immediately upon logging in, you'll be greeted with the Insights Hub containing the latest TV industry analysis, white papers, and videos from Parrot Analytics. To the right, under Industry News, you can catch up on the most recent stories published by the industry trades. Underneath, in the Favorites section, are any shortcuts you might want for priority shows or markets. Note that at any point throughout the portal, you can hover over the little eye image to get more information on what you're viewing. You can also type in the series name or market you are looking for here for a quick and easy access. For this tour, we'll explore the portal via the modules on the left. Let's start with the Shows module. By default, you'll see the daily demand for the top 10 series in your subscription over the last 30 days. You can quickly select the drop-down menu here to choose the series that are most relevant for your current analysis. You can also select the market and time period that's most relevant, including custom, where you can define your own time parameters. Finally, here is how you would filter your selection by digital originals only. Currently, we've been viewing this data via the time series plot. By switching over to the table view in the bar charts, we can see the average demand each series drives in the selected market over the selected time. We can also see the peak demand, or the highest demand the series reached over the time period, illustrated by the dotted line. Still within the Shows module, jumping into the World view, we can see the travelability, or demand relative to the home market, each series generates, with the red markets driving the highest demand and the blue driving the lowest. Moving on to the top market analysis, here you can quickly gauge the top 20 market ranking for a given series in the selected market and time period. You can hover over the flag to highlight that specific market across the series listed. While all the data views we've seen so far have been anchored in shows, let's switch gears to the Markets module of the portal. Immediately, you'll see the specific market's total population and internet penetration. Right underneath is a list of the different VOD platforms available in that market. As you keep scrolling, you'll get a glimpse of the top 5 shows overall, the top 5 digital original series, and the top shows by each demand source type. While demand expressions are made up from a plethora of data sources, this section gives you a quick glimpse of the types of sources that drive the most demand for a given show. You'll also see a quick comparison of the top genres in that market relative to the global average. Let's move on to the cross-market comparison screen to view the top 20 series by market. Similar to the top market analysis, hovering over a specific series reveals its ranking across all the markets listed. Still in the Markets module, Top Shows, which is an add-on module, reveals the average and peak demand for the most in-demand series, even for series that are not yet in your subscription. Moving on to Portfolios, here you can compare the demand for the aggregate of the series of your choosing. You may wish to group series in a certain genre, or a specific platform or channel, or even those of your competitors. And to see how that grouping of series travels, you simply click World View to gauge each portfolio's travelability. Finally, the Global Trends module allows you to view the demand of the top genres, subgenres, countries of origin, and network by market. Though we've toured the portal by visiting the modules on the left, note you can alternatively and easily visit different parts of the portal through each of these links here. That concludes our tour of the Parrot Analytics Demand Portal, briefly highlighting each of the modules available. If you have any questions, please reach out to demo@parrotanalytics.com or to your customer success manager.